Hi, my name is Matt Theriault, and my company is Epic Real Estate. And this could be quite possibly the most important place you've ever been when it comes to your financial future. As most people, they just don't stand a chance at any sort of financial freedom unless they incorporate real estate into some form or fashion into their financial plan. I mean, it's the final frontier where the average person has a legitimate shot at creating epic wealth. Now, I've been investing in income real estate using creative acquisition and exit strategies, and I've been showing others how to do the same for more than a decade. And I do it because I feel if you know something that could help somebody, it's just not cool to keep it to yourself. So it feels good to help. So I share it all. I hold nothing back, and I ask for nothing in return. It's all free. So if you like what you've seen here, subscribe to our channel. Look for new videos on Thursdays and Fridays. You can also catch us daily on our podcast at epicrealestateinvesting.com. And you can connect with me on Instagram as well, at Epic Real Estate. I picked out a special video right here to get you started. All right, check it out, and I'll see you around.